that I can, in fact, let's see, I can, in fact, now thread a bolt into this hole. Such a relief. It's amazing. Thank God. Super stoked. Moving on now to cleaning the actual valves themselves. That's what's next on the agenda. Got these covered up so that the Brakleen doesn't ruin anything, plastic. It's gonna be messy, but here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. One side pretty much done. I'm going to spray it some more, suck this shit out. I bought these really cool tools. It's like a plastic brush head. Works really, really well. I didn't get a before shot, but I'll show you what the next one looks like. Check it out. Oh, it's so hard to get to focus though. Freaking night and day. Looks so good. Let's keep going. Look how nicely these are cleaning up. Yeah. Oh, it's just insane. Look how dirty that shit is. That's the Brakleen. But look how clean it is. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I did this. Oh yeah. Clean, clean, clean. Great idea. All right, in that last video, all you did was hear me talk about how super clean the valves were, how good of an idea it was, how awesome it was, and I was extremely happy with the result. I didn't end up posting a shot of what the valves looked like before. It's kind of hard to do that now. I might have some screenshots I'll throw in like here right now that show what it looked like before, but it was super dirty, caked with oil from blow by. The carbon wasn't really that bad, which I was surprised about because the car has 120,000 miles on it. Thought the carbon would be a lot worse, like the buildup. But that little plastic like brush head that I got for the drill worked wonders. Like that was a game changer for that job. Yeah, it still took me a long time to clean all the valves, but that made it so much easier, so much quicker. I bought 4 cans of Brakleen and I went through 2, like 1.5, 2. Yeah, I could have cleaned it even more, but like at what point is it diminishing returns? And honestly, I just want to drive the car. I want to get it back together. So that is the experience I had with cleaning the valves. It went super well, honestly. If it was a different vehicle, it probably would have been even harder, but that was pretty easy for me to clean those, and those tools really helped. I used like a pick tool as well to clean some of the valve, like on the back side of the valve. But yeah, I didn't need much, like other than filling them with Brakleen. And then I hooked it back up, the car back up to the battery and turned it over for like a second to switch the valves open and closed because 2 were open. I needed the other 2 closed so that I could clean those as well. So that's what I did before I finished up. So all of them are completely cleaned out, ready to go. Fun fact, I do at this point have the manifold back on the car. I just haven't dropped the video yet, but I will soon. I just finished putting the air boxes back on and reconnecting the Y pipe for the intake manifold in the back. So everything's going really well. Got the fuel rail back in and everything. Next video will be the intake manifold focus video. So I'm gonna be focused on that, the reinstall and everything. So thanks for watching again, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. Any questions you have about tools that I used, the vehicle itself, and myself, whatever. Just ask me questions and I'd be happy to answer in the comments. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.